Today on the Omi Show, Plastic Cup Trophy. It's the Omi Show! Hi, I'm Omi. Welcome to the Omi Show. This Sunday is Father's Day, so we're going to make a plastic cup trophy. You will need a foam sheet, stickers, ruler, a hot glue gun, get a parent or guardian to help you. Plastic cup, mini cup, pencil, scissors, paintbrush, and paint. Okay, let's get started. Step 1. Have a parent or guardian hot glue the cups together. Step 2. Paint the cups the color you want. I pick orange because it's my dad's favorite color. But you can pick any color you want. After you're done, it should look like this. Step 3. Cut the foam sheet into 3 strips, half an inch by 12 inches. Then cut one of the strips in half. Step 4. Have a parent or guardian hot glue the bigger strips to the top and bottom of the bigger cup. Then glue the smaller strips like this and glue it to the sides of the cup. Did you know Father's Day is celebrated the first Sunday in June in the United States? Theodore Dodd founded Father's Day in 1910. It became a national holiday in 1972, and President Nixon signed it into law. Okay, now do you know? Let's get back to the craft. Step 5. Use stickers to put in meshes or decorate the trophy. I put number 1 Dad. Quick tip. Add small gifts to the cup. That's it, you're done. I hope you have fun making this trophy. If you make it, tell me on Instagram. If you like this video, click that like button. If you have to subscribe, do that too. See you in the next video. Bye!